Hey guys, hope all of you are doing well. So this is HP's KB1156 keyboard. I've been meaning to buy this for a long time, as this is a good productivity keyboard. I have used this before when I first started working, and ever since I wanted to buy. But now that we are all in a work from home culture, well, most of us are. So yeah, why not? So bought this keyboard from Amazon. Got it around 800 rupees, 825 rupees, something like that. And yeah, this is some instruction. Let's take the keyboard out. It's a PS2 keyboard, and yeah, it's heavy. It's a heavy keyboard, definitely. Let me take this out. Put this aside. Sorry for the noise. Yeah, this is a PS2 connector. So guys, this is a PS2 keyboard, and even if you have, I mean, most of the motherboards these days, the latest ones, they don't support PS2 anymore. But you can definitely buy this and use a connector to connect it, and definitely you can use it. So this is the keyboard. Yeah, beautiful keyboard, and the most satisfying thing is when you type on it, and this is definitely for longer hours of working. If your job or any kind of job where typing is necessary, a lot of it, then you can use this keyboard. And it is very comfortable. I have used this before, and I'm excited to use this again. So yeah, this is kind of sound test for all of us out there who likes the sound of keyboards. Very smooth key travel, I must say. It is a very smooth typing experience. Yeah, satisfied with this purchase.